Okay, so this time I will now introduce to you on how to edit data. So if you're in doubt that the grades that was thrown in the data set was mistake, so for example, Agbon Raymar, for the first grading in Filipino, he got 75. So, and your doubt if you want to change his grade from 75 to another grade, so you're going to go go first in grading period, then select what grading period that you're going to choose. So if you're going to choose erroneously, so we have that not done yet with the second grading period, and you choose this second grading period. So once you hit this edit command button, so there's what we call this one, a message that will pop up that there's no data to edit in this grading period. So if you forgot also to put a grading period in this particular cell I7, so if you hit directly edit data, then you press yes. So there's another system message that will appear that please entry grading period. So you need really to input what we call this one, a grading period, the first or fourth, from first to fourth grading period. Then press OK. So this time, the available data that we have is just for the first grading period. So I will now press this edit data, then yes. So once, so if you want to, so this time you can be able now to edit the data. So for example, you said that you want to change the Filipino grade of Agbon from, shall we say, 75 to 85. You erroneously encode that one. So this is the correct one. And so nothing else. So yun lang gusto nyo i-change. So this time you're going to process edited data. Okay? So process edited data. Do you really want to process the edited grades on this grading period? Yes. Okay, so it will be transferred now to dataset sheet. So you will know that it's done when this particular sheet is ready for the next encoding. So as you can see, so from 75, so the grades of Agbon for the first grading in Filipino is now 85. Okay. So that's how you're going to edit a data. Thank you.